How to organize profile and queue on Hulu. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can manage profile and queue on Hulu. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, head over to hulu.com and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile at the top right or your profile icon, click on it. Now to view the page, you have to re-enter your password for the verification. So enter your password. So once you're logged in, you will land on this kind of interface where you can manage your account. Scroll down a bit. If you want to update your account information, click on update info. Then you can update your information. If you want to change first name, clear and add a new first name. Your last name, you could also edit your birthday. You could also change the gender, then click on save changes. And with that, your account information will be changed. Now to manage your queue on Hulu, you can head back to Hulu homepage. And while browsing the shows on the Hulu, you have to tap on the plus icon or tap or click on add to my stuff to save your favorite shows and movie to your queue. Now to view your queue, you have to search for an option as my stuff on the Hulu homepage if you could find it. You can remove the search anytime by tapping the check mark icon again, and that's it. That's how you can keep your profiles organized and queue updated for the best streaming experience. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.